Hello, and welcome to Excite Truck. Whatever. I'm sorry I haven't been recording these type of videos on this type of right here. In so long. It's just that I have so much homework to do. So let's get started. I want to go to... well, first back. Let's go silver. Mexico. You Mexicans out there. No racism. Okay, let's do this. But there's no interruptions this time, because since there was an interruption, I needed to help my mom on the car, and my computer shut it off. And I said, there was a problem. Yeah, sure is. Let's do this though. No more interruptions. There isn't no rage. I'm in the Grand Canyon. This is not Mexico. It's the Grand Canyon. Okay. Oh shit, man. Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. What? Whoa, what the heck was that? That's epic carnage right there. Whoa. Ninja! Fuck yeah! Nope! Nice air, bitch. Boom! Truck smash. Oh! Boom! Very nice landing. Epic. Look at that jump. Oh, yeah, nice. That's snowboard. Expert. Nope. Super air. Mexico, Finland, Scotland. Yeah. This time, I should do Firefly. So many fireflies within the sky. Air. Boom! First shot out. Woo! Woo! Damage! Oh yeah! So down. 360. Come on. 360. Woo! No, oh, bitch. Double jump. Nice landing. Okay. Yep. No. No. Oh, D50. 360. One. Maybe the car doesn't want to do 360. No problem. Truck smash. Truck throw. Truck smash. Air. Drift. Oh. Back it up. This way. I'm like parallel parking right now. Boom, boom, super boom. Okay. No, I'm in third freaking place. It's not just, it's not anymore. Okay, it is. Never mind. Super A. Sound. Fiji. Jen. Blue China. Wizard Mongoose. Blaster. Cackle. Checker. What? I do checker. Checker. That's good. That's not. That's sort of. That's awesome. That's rad. That's. Oh my god, that's too awesome for words. God, that's too awesome. Let's do this. Like a boss. Woo! Nice landing. Yeah. That's how no. Oh, die mom. But you're not. I just let you drift. Oh. I'm coming for you. And got yay how? I didn't even see why I was there. I just killed the guy. Yeah? No? Well, that's good. Let's do this again. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh snap, look at that guy. He just, wow. No, dark, no. I was bossing it out for 1 second there. It was epic. No! I'm gonna jump over the Great Wall. And I'm forward. That's all the time I have for today. Please watch more. And stuff, comment, subscribe. Comment, people. Comment. I want people to comment because that makes me popular. Come on. At least 1 subscriber. And tell me what I should do next. This one out.